This is Jim Emter of Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for December 30th, 2020. Well, we've got one final trading day left of the year. It's been a wild one. We've seen some reasonable prices to start the year, dramatic drop as COVID and increased potential acres it shook this market. Then we got to August, saw the rate show coupled with the surprises from USDA in September, coupled with the big demand buy-in from China, then coupled with production drops from USDA again. So just really kind of a circumstance here where it's been a wild year. We're finishing on an extremely high note. Corn up 8.5 here, beans up 8 1/4, Chicago wheat up 22 1/4, Minneapolis up 15 3/4, Kansas City up 16 1/4. So path of least resistance remains higher here as we work to close out this year. We'll see what tomorrow brings. We'll see what the market really does here as we start off a new year. But to me, my opinion, limited selling here. Farmers basically looking to get to the new year without doing too much. And that's allowed buying interest to really pick up here. Couple that with uncertainty over Argentina that looks a bit drier ahead. It just kind of adds to the dynamics. And really, exports have been very strong through this whole phase, and that's allowed the potential of this run-up. So we'll see where it goes. Upside counts are wide open. We're looking at $4.74 in corn and then $5. Bean market, obviously we're right around this $13 mark. Really $14.64 and $16.70 are really the next counts in alignment, but those are some big lofty counts due to the monthly charts. Feeder cattle down 110, live cattle up 7.5 cents, hogs up 40. Just wish-wash, it's the same old news, different day. We are seeing the cash undertones firm as we see some 172, 174 dress trade, so that's encouraging to see. But no, not a lot of progression off the futures board right now. Obviously, the higher corn price putting pressure on the feeder cattle. This has been Jim Emter of Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.